They grow in backyards, bloom in gardens, even sprout along hiking trails. These plants look harmless, but carry enough poison to kill in hours. And the scariest part? You've probably walked past one today. Today, we discover nature's most toxic threats, where beauty meets deadly consequences. One touch, one mistake, and nature's elegance leaves you fighting for life. Breaking. Information thin is dropping the plant that killed kings. Subscribe to stay alive. Number 10. Angel's Trumpet, Brugmansia. With its beautiful pendulous flowers, this South American native hides a deadly secret. All parts contain scopolamine and atropine, toxins that can cause hallucinations, paralysis, and even death from just 50 milligrams of plant material. Traditional healers used it in rituals under strict supervision, but modern cases often involve accidental tea ingestion. In Colombia, criminals have weaponized its extracts in devil's breath robberies. The plant's sweet nocturnal fragrance attracts pollinators, but also curious children, with ER visits peaking in summer months. Unlike some toxins, there's no antidote. Treatment involves IV fluids and activated charcoal. Surprisingly, pharmaceutical companies harvest its alkaloids for motion sickness patches, demonstrating nature's dual edge. Number 9. COWBANE, water hemlock. Often mistaken for edible parsnips, this North American wetland plant's cytotoxin kills by overstimulating the nervous system. A single bite of the sweet-tasting root induces violent seizures within 15 minutes, with a 70% fatality rate untreated. Historical records suggest COWBANE caused the death of Plato's students during a philosophy experiment. Modern foragers can identify it by the purple streaks on hollow stems and the pungent mouse urine odor when crushed. Unlike many toxins, cytotoxin remains potent even in dried plants. Wildlife agencies post warning signs where it grows densely, as livestock losses still occur annually. The CDC lists it as a potential bioterror agent due to its rapid action. Number 8. Desert rose, oleander. Ubiquitous in warm climates, this ornamental shrub's cardiac glycosides mimic digoxin, but with 10 times the potency. Just one leaf contains enough oleandrin to kill an adult through cardiac arrest. Despite this, it's commonly planted along highways in California and Texas due to its drought resistance. A 2002 Arizona case involved fatal hot dog skewers made from oleander sticks. The plant's sticky sap causes dermatitis, discouraging removal without gloves. Interestingly, some cancer research explores oleandrin's potential against tumors, a controversial application given its toxicity. Number 7. Devil's weed, Jimson weed. This aggressive colonizer's tropane alkaloids induce 48+ hours of terrifying hallucinations and hypothermia. The 1676 Jamestown incident saw British soldiers experience invisible flames and attempt to fly off buildings. Modern ERs see regular cases from teens seeking highs, often requiring ventilator support. The plant thrives in disturbed soils, making construction sites and farms prime exposure zones. Its spiky seed pods release hundreds of black seeds that remain viable for 40 years. Some South American shamans still use it in initiation rites, with a 1 to 3 mortality rate even under supervision. Number 6. Belladonna, deadly nightshade. The original witch's herb contains atropine, which kills by overstimulating the nervous system. Just 2 to 5 berries can fatally disrupt a child's heart rhythm within hours. Ancient Roman assassins favored its undetectable sweet taste, while Renaissance women used eye drops for pupil dilation. Ironically, modern medicine uses diluted atropine to treat nerve gas exposure. Foragers often mistake its shiny black berries for wild cherries, with European poison centers logging 200+ annual cases. The plant's toxicity increases when grown in shady conditions, a dangerous adaptation. Number 5. Tremble grass, white snakeroot. This unassuming North American plant's trematol caused milk sickness that killed thousands of pioneers. The toxin accumulates in cattle milk over weeks, making detection nearly impossible before symptoms appear. Nancy Hanks Lincoln's 1818 death prompted the first livestock poisoning studies. Modern dairy farms still monitor pastures for this shade-loving plant, especially in Appalachia. Interestingly, goats safely metabolize the toxin, a quirk researchers are studying for detoxification methods. The plant's fuzzy white flowers make it easily identifiable during July-September blooms. Number 4. Burnbush, giant hogweed. This invasive species' photosensitive Farana coumarins cause third-degree burns when activated by sunlight. Originating in the Caucasus, it now plagues riverbanks across the northern hemisphere. Each plants 20,000 seeds spread via waterways, with eradication requiring 5+ years of herbicide treatments. UK councils employ specialised hogweed squads in protective gear for removal. The plant's 15-foot height and umbrella-like flower clusters make it identifiable from a distance, critical since even pollen can blister skin. Surprisingly, its toxins are being studied for potential psoriasis treatments. Number 3. Castor oil plant. While its oil is medicinal, the seeds contain ricin. A gram could kill 1,000 people. The 1978 London umbrella tip assassination proved its potency, requiring just 500 micrograms. Modern detectors at mail facilities screen for ricin's molecular signature after multiple terrorism attempts. Surprisingly, the plant grows wild in warmer climates worldwide, with children hospitalized annually for swallowing the attractive beans. Researchers are engineering ricin-resistant castor varieties for safe oil production. The toxin works by inhibiting protein synthesis, a mechanism now studied for targeted cancer therapies. Number 2. WOLFSBANE, monkshood. Ancient hunters used this alpine plant's aconitine to paralyze prey. Just skin contact causes numbness, while ingestion stops the diaphragm within 2 hours. Victorian gardeners often fell ill after handling cut flowers without gloves. There's no antidote. Treatment involves heart-lung bypass until the toxin metabolizes. The plant's striking blue flowers still appear in ornamental gardens, often without warning labels. Himalayan villagers use it to poison wolves, hence its name. Forensic labs easily detect aconitine, making it unpopular for criminal use despite its potency. Number 1. Doll's eyes, white baneberry. This woodland plant's bizarre berries contain cardiogenic toxins that disrupt sodium channels. While rarely fatal due to immediate vomiting, they've caused multiple child fatalities when ingested during play. Native Americans used diluted root extracts for pain relief, a practice modern toxicologists warn against. The plant's blood droplet stems and white berries with black pupils make it easily identifiable in eastern North American forests. Birds safely eat the berries, spreading seeds, an evolutionary defense mechanism. Surprisingly, its toxins are being researched for potential heart rhythm medications.